Hey guys, how's it going? This is my 1949 Royal Quiet Deluxe, and it's got the tombstone shaped keys, the half moon. I think I've seen them called before too, but it's pretty cool. And 100% functional. Everything works on this. It's really an impressive machine. I want to give you a type sample. You can see everything feeds the way it should, the platen. And I'm going to give you uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and all that. It's actually really fast, considering how old it is. You can go between red, black ink. There's a stencil setting also. I'm going to mix it up here with some upper and lowercase. There's no exclamation mark on this, but what I'd like to do is I can use apostrophe and then backspace for a period. It's pretty cool. I'll show you after this video. At the end, I'll show you how everything prints out. It's a little light. You will need to get a new ribbon, but pretty awesome. These older machines didn't have exclamation marks. I mean, not all of them. Here's the numbers. And the figures. It's got variable line spacing right here. You have single space and then double space is all the way forward. You can set your tabs. I have one tab set right now. You just press the tab key and it goes to it. You set them in the back here. These are the tabs, and you just press in and you can move them along just like that wherever you want them. And then this does have the magic margin, and the way that works, let me make sure this is in focus. So the way that works is you drag it all the way to this side. You can hear the bell. Bell works fine. Anyways, you drag it all the way to the right, and then you pull this. And you hear that? That means it's reset. So then you just pull it forward and hold it, and as you move it, it drags it with it. So now you can set it right there, and then when you return a line, it'll go right there. Or you can set it right here, same thing. Move it again, maybe stop right there this time. So now it'll only go that far. That's how it works. But to make things easier and less complicated, you can also just open up this back piece. I didn't even know about this. And those are your margins right here. And you can just set them, you know, wherever you want. Move it around. This one will change where the bell dings. If you move it to the left, it'll ding early. To the right, it'll ring later. And that's pretty much it, guys. This thing is ready to go. It's got touch control, which works. I can absolutely feel the difference when you move it to the right. The keys are tougher to press down, a little more firm. When you move it to the left, much easier type action. This is the ribbon direction change, and to the left it feeds to the left, to the right feeds to the right, but it does it automatically, so you really don't need to worry about that anyways. And other than that, this thing is ready to go. It's ready to do some serious writing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Oh, let me show you the type before So that's it. And you can see everything is aligned, uppercase, lowercase letters. Everything's perfectly aligned, clear. So that's it, guys. Have a good one.